Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn with Sam and Ash. This is Ash, your trainer, and in this video I'm going to talk about few essential apps that you can utilize to enhance your English. Now these apps are taken from different categories involving your grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and then you have exercises on English, etc., etc. So we're going to talk about each one of them and why we found them to be very useful and how you can utilize them in your everyday life. Please remember, all these applications are free of cost. You just have to click on the link that goes in the description, download them and start using it. Before we start with the video, I just want to give an information about the English Speaking Club. The new batch is starting on 6th of July, which is in the next month, and you can register by visiting the website on the screen right now. Please ensure that every information that you need on this will be provided in the description, so do not forget to visit the description box. The meeting is going to be on GoToMeeting. The class has 20 sessions and we're going to have lots of fun in there because it's interactive and you get a chance to speak and enhance it. So let's get back to the video, and the first application that I have got for you is... The first app we have got for you is for English grammar, and the app name is English Grammar. Now please remember this thing. As I told you, these applications are for Android and iPhone both. I'm going to show you with the use of an Android phone. For iPhone users, please go in the description and check the proper name for the application. Now, if you see in this application right now, you have English grammar exercises for nouns, pronouns, prepositions, every topic that you need in your English grammar. If I show you an example of noun, you have another category that we have to focus on. If you go further deep and check about, so we see this page and here you have the definition, proper example, how I can, use them in proper sentences. Everything is mentioned in this grammar. So now you don't need notes in your hand. You don't need notebooks any further. You can just use your phone with the right strategy, with the right application. You will be able to practice anything in English grammar. Now we'll jump to the second application. This application is for English conversation and you get different themes to practice for. For example, you have trips and vacations, eating related topics, you have family and friends, and the list goes and goes on. You have work related, so every theme or every category that you have in your daily life, no matter if you are a student or a working employee, anything you have right in your phone here. So if I have to show you something, I'll talk about eating related things, and then you have subcategories. We're gonna talk about preparing dinner for guests. This might take a while as the application is gonna download some files for your reference, so let's have some patience for that. And if I have to, the advertisement is another feature that you get in these applications because they're free of cost, so they need to earn from somewhere. So we need to watch these ads if you want to support them. Now, we have the right page for it. For the application. You have a conversation between two people and you can play this audio and listen to it properly.
Hey, Alice.
Now please focus on the pronunciation.
My husband's boss and his wife are coming over for dinner tonight. Wow.
So the conversation will go on like this. Also, you have a quiz, so you can check your listening skills at the same time. Once you are done with the conversation, attempt these questions as well. Next, you have a practice. In the practice, you can have an audio button at the bottom. You play on this, then you practice. You have to choose a partner, of course. So I'll say, I want to practice with Sue. So Sue is going to be the person who's going to speak, and you're going to also speak from this side. Now the conversation will go like this. Hey Sue, what are you doing today?
Hey Alice, I'm going to the market later. My husband's boss and his
Now
wife are
isn't this
coming over for dinner
impressive?
tonight.
You can actually practice with the person in a phone. You don't need a speaking partner any further. Next, you have a record option as well. So you can actually record your sound, listen to it, work on your pronunciation, work on your grammar, and check it with the reference that you have in this conversation. I wish you guys can use it as much as you can. This is just free of cost. We'll jump to the third application, which is for vocabulary, and the name is Wordup. This is amazing as well. In this, you get the words and you have to swipe up and down like Tinder. If you already know the word, you swipe it down. If you don't know the word, you take it up. For example, pursue. I know this word, so I'll slide it down. Pizza. I know the word. Prince. Why not? Rob. Let's say betray. I don't know it. I'll take it upwards. So what the application does for you, the words that you already know will be submitted in the category of my knowledge. The words I don't know, the application will repeat those words and you can actually practice them. If you go further and do some exploration about the application, you will find the meanings and the examples of these words as well. You can do it by yourself. It's all there on the application. Now, next in our list is for the sentence. Now, this is actually a game that they have created. You can practice it with a single player or multiplayer. I'll show an example of single player and I'm going to take beginner's level. Now, in this, they will show you a demo first that you have to arrange the words, actually a puzzle right here, and you can frame sentences. The thing that you have to notice is the first letter or the first word will always be starting with a capital letter. I love books. That's your sentence. You can attempt multiple sentences like that, and based on the level you are, maybe competent speaker, you're professional, you're expert, you keep doing that. This is an expert level right on your screen, and oh my god, this is way too huge. I don't think I can do it in front of you. So you guys attempt it for yourself and see how much knowledge you have for sentence structure. You just saw 4 applications with different categories of English. Now it's your choice which is your portion that you want to work on initially. You want to start with vocabulary, go ahead and download the app. If you want to start with something else, go ahead and download it. All the applications that were shown to you were free of cost. So there is no promotion involved, no any extra money involved. Is just for your own benefit. I have personally used these applications and I found them really amazing, especially the conversation one, because in 21st century when COVID and pandemic everything is happening, you don't find partners to practice with. You cannot hang around with friends. So why not use this application? And please don't forget to register for the English Speaking Club. 6th of July is the date for the start. Every information you need regarding applications and regarding the course is in the description box. I'll see you with the next video with proper concepts of English grammar and other things. Make sure you subscribe and like the video and take care.